the second step form I2 is a two-step reaction. How do we know it's a two-step reaction? The reaction mechanism will tell us, okay? And your experimental data on the reaction rate order will tell you, okay? But before we go into that, okay, so you need to know, okay, so this reaction, okay, there's one activation energy right here, okay, first step. The second step is a little bit here, another activation energy, okay? So what's the HI? The part you cancel. The part when you add, you cancel these two. What do we call this? We call that. Can you make a guess? What would I call? Intermediate. You know, you simply cancel out. You don't even see it. Sometimes you can isolate the intermediate. Sometimes you cannot. Okay. Sometimes you cannot. When I teach you, reaction mechanism, you will understand a little more. Okay. And I can pretty much tell you, okay, the reaction is two steps. Okay. The first step is the slow. It takes a long time because you have a higher mountain climb. Okay. And once you climb up that big mountain, there's still a little hill to climb, and that second part is very easy, much faster. Okay, so this is a slow reaction, this is a fast reaction. We should, when we write the rate law, we should only consider the slow reaction because that takes the longest. Okay, and we will explain that later. But because we are here, I'm going to talk about the activation energy. Okay. Okay. So you remember I said, okay, kinetic theory, right? And actually, you know, I'm taking the way to Arrhenius equation. Okay, what's Arrhenius equation? Okay, is K is equal to A times e to the minus E A over RT. Okay, so this is, okay, so what's the second term? The second term, actually, you see that that's the Boltzmann distribution. Okay, the heat relationship. Okay, the Boltzmann, you know that this is the energy. This is the percent of molecule with certain energy. That curve, Boltzmann distribution. That's the second term. Okay, the heat dependence of so many molecules. The probability of molecules has certain energy. Okay, with EA. So now you know, you already